Welcome back to Handmade. I'm Cassidy. You may have antique taste, but you only have a big box budget. Today, I'm going to show you some tricks to give this basic dresser tons of character. So to start, we're just going to take these drawers out, set them aside, and we'll come back to those later. Before we sand, I'm going to add these super cute legs, and to do that, I'm going to use this bracket. One of our favorite things about chalk paint is that there's no prep really, and you don't have to sand a piece, but with this finish, it was really slick. So I'm just going to give it a light sanding to make sure that the chalk paint adheres. I'm using an electric sander, so safety first. So I'm just sanding it enough to create texture for the chalk paint to adhere to, but not so much that it goes through the laminate. Now that I have the frame done, let's do the drawers. Now let's just wipe off the excess dust and then we're ready to paint. As you know, we love chalk paint. It gives it a great matte finish, and for this piece we chose this duck egg blue. Let paint dry completely between coats, and then follow it up with some clear wax. So I've let my wax cure for a full 72 hours, and now it's time for those final embellishments. This is a furniture overlay, also known as an applique. Anyone can paint a piece of furniture, but this is what's going to really set you over the top. Since there are endless styles and designs of these, you can really make it your own. Another reason I loved this overlay is because they're also paintable. But for this project, I just really wanted that contrast, so I'm going to leave it white. So now we just glue these to the front of our drawers with adhesive and add our knobs, and that's it. For the knobs to have a more uniform look, make sure that they are an equal distance from the tops and sides of each of your drawers. Now that the drawers are marked, I'm going to drill the holes for my knobs. Now that we have our holes drilled, we're just going to attach your appliques using a construction adhesive that dries clear. So make sure to let your adhesive dry, follow your package instructions, and then we're going to tilt this up and add the knobs for that finishing touch. We took this boring furniture and gave it style, color, and character. Let us know in the comments below how you would transform your furniture and if you've ever tried using an applique. Like and subscribe. We will see you next time.